Old Dorchester Hospital campus along the Choptank waterway has been completed, preparing the way for the planned development of the 30 acres of prime waterfront. This redevelopment will create a mixed-use development and waterfront district of public spaces, amenities, including a waterfront amphitheater. It's Friday, April 7th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Dorchester's sleepy heart of the Chesapeake is about to get a shock from a redevelopment defibrillator. The prime waterfront area just over the Barton Bridge into Cambridge is set to become a tourist destination and may even have a Ferris wheel at the water's edge as the entire parcel undergoes fast-track revitalization. The area is expected to bring in more tourism, money, and the expectation of more to do, see, and enjoy. Homes in the area that typically are well below the median Maryland sales price are poised to go up as the demand is created. Much of Cambridge housing is in need as there are blight areas with homes in severe disrepair, and many of these homes are beautiful historic homes. Stay tuned for further updates and impact forecast. Meanwhile, homes available on the shore rose to 975 since last week. 80 homes are coming soon, up this week. 86 homes came to the market since my last report. 84 went under contract. 83 went to pending, a decrease. 157 properties sold in 22 days at 98.2% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over this past week was in Trap for $8,500,000. Available rentals remained at 60 homes for lease at $1,975 per month, leasing in just 36 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 7th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in and enjoy the weekend.